3-ingredient carrot salad. It is super easy to make and it tastes super fresh and delicious. Really good. I've got 1 cup of carrots in here. It does not need to be exact. If you don't have shredded carrots or you didn't buy a bag of shredded carrots, guess what you do? This. I'm gonna chop up some of these pickled jalapeños. These are not really very spicy. They're more sweet and spicy. I got them at Trader Joe's, but they sell them at lots of grocery stores. A couple tablespoons of olive oil. Just eyeball it, you don't need to measure. Salt and pepper. Give it a mix. Just chopped up some cilantro as a garnish. The longer this sits, the better. You can do a gajillion different things with this. 1, you could just eat it as a side dish, as a salad. 2, you could top tacos with it. 3, you could put it on a hot dog. 4, you could put it on top of any kind of Asian food. I would love it on top of my egg roll meatballs, or if you made a banh mi sandwich, it would be great. Like any place you'd put a pickled vegetable, but also you can just eat it on its own.